Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the show tutorial, I'll teach you how to change keyboard language on Mac. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. For that, click on Apple menu at the top left corner of the menu. Then click on System Settings from the drop-down menu. Here scroll down and find Keyboard in the sidebar menu and click on it. Then click on Edit next to the input sources. On the next page, make sure that the toggle for Show Input in menu bar is enabled. After doing this, click on the plus icon in the bottom left corner of the menu. Here you can see many languages. Search for the language you want to add, like Spanish, French, Arabic. Then click on desired keyboard input style for the language. After selecting the desired language, then click on Add button. By doing the same process, you can add many languages in your input sources. After doing this, an icon will appear in the menu bar at the top of your Mac screen. It will look like a flag and a rectangle with language symbol, like US or American English. Click it to open a drop-down menu. Here click on the language you want to use with your keyboard. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.